Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with Lego Friends Polybag 30409. It is the bumper cars. So there's like a big bumper car that has a Friends doll, mini doll in it, and a mini bumper car with a little pet in it. So we're going to build these. I got 4 of these for the amusement park, like I said in my haul, and I'm going to make like a bumper car arena for these. Probably use my ice rink, but we'll talk about that in another video. Let's just do a build of these, a quick build and a review. Just going to do this from another angle today. Keep a variety, of course. And we build our little mini doll right here. Get her done. For people who have allergies, remember, the heads on these mini dolls are made of rubber, so be careful. And we have a little kitty cat right there, so we'll put that with her. Now, let's get on to the main build. Once again, we'll make it quick. We're speeding it up, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so now that we have it built, we're on to the review stage. So, well, let's start with the little one. This one is pretty cute. It's like got the little cat on it and the flag, and it's just a really small, like, kitty bumper car, but it's kind of cute. So maybe what we'll do is we'll set these just aside, and we won't actually motorize these particular cars or put magnets on them. We'll just leave them on the we'll just leave them on the arena bed, and when these ones come by, they can just like bump them back and forth. I think that would be kind of a cool idea. And then we'll actually put the magnet on the bottom of these, and it will ride with the magnet underneath the bed of the bumper track. So I think that's what we'll end up doing with those ones. And we can actually change out some colors here and make some different color cars as well. So we got enough to make 4, so maybe we'll make 2 pink and 2 something else. I don't know what colors we'll make, but maybe we'll make them yellow or something, just so we can have like a tag team of 2 and 2. Now, I forget this girl's name right here. I'll have to look it up. And she's just lovely playing there, and she is just having a fun time playing on this bumper car, and it's great. I love the little flags on there too. So they're almost like more remote controlled than they are the real bumper cars, because the real bumper cars go right up to the ceiling and they're powered by the electricity that comes down through them from there. However, ours will be using magnets on the bottom. Now, I don't know if this is the design that they used for the Joker car or the Batman car or anything like that. Could be, I'm not sure. I never built them, so I couldn't tell you. This is a cool design, and to get them for less than $5 for the parts, that's pretty cool in these poly bags. And I mean, you can pick them up. It looks rather interesting on the bag because it looks like an arena that they're showing with some lights and that. So maybe they're going to come out in the Friends line with something more for their amusement park that they had before. Now, this is going to be a great addition to our amusement park, of course. And I just really like playing with this. It's kind of fun because it's just like, you know, reminds me of times when I was on bumper cars. Unfortunately, I cannot ride bumper cars anymore because of a back injury, so I'm not allowed to do that anymore. So all the fun now, as an adult smashing into other people, is gone for me. I can watch it and enjoy it from the sidelines, and that's about it. But however, these are going to be real fun to build and do that arena. So I think we're just going to have to cave and take the ice rink down and make this into a bumper car arena for that. Or maybe I will make another top for that arena so that I can interchange both the ice rink and or the bumper car arena. And I think maybe that's what I will do, because on the plate that I have, it has studs on 4 corners of the plate, and it's sort of like a circle base plate with 4 roadway with a 4 in it. So I'm going to have to find a piece of plastic or something, which I'm sure I can find, that I can cut to fit that 10 by 10. And we can use that in there. In fact, I know I do got some in my storage room. So in the spring, a few months time, I will cut that and we will make that. And then that way we're not really taking apart the ice rink. We're just taking the top of it so that we can have fun like this and have the bumper cars. And maybe in the winter time, we can have the ice rink come back out and just put the bumper cars aside. So we can vary up the display so when people come and visit, you know, they have something different to see every particular time they come. And I think that's kind of good, and I think that'll be fun. I think that's what we're really going to do with that, and I like this. I'm really having too much fun here, just bumping around with these guys, and, you know, whoa, Dougie, or kitty cat, in fact. Get out of the way, get out of the way. Okay, gotta go. Oh, she's gone. She pushed off. And yeah, I'm happy because I've got the bumper car all to myself now. So anyway, that's a fun review. It was a cute build. Not so much as a review as a little bit of my thoughts and opinions on this, which I think is just amazing. It's a great little build. Easy build to do if you have the parts. You can probably find the instructions online for set 30409. And you can build these 2 little bumper cars. It's great. Go ahead and build some. I got 3 more to do, so yeah, anyway, I'm just kind of rambling when I'm having fun building this one right now. So I'll talk to you guys again soon. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.